Today we will see the naming convention for a file if it contains one of the public class. So you can see that I have written a class test, and the next class I'm going to write is rest, but this rest class is public. Now first we will try to save it with the name test.java, and we'll try to compile it to see whether we get both test.class and the rest.class created or not. So we will open up the command window and we'll try to compile it with the name javac test.java, and you can see that we got an error saying that class rest is public, so it should be declared in a file named rest.java. So this is a restriction in Java that if you have one public class in your file, in that case the file name should be same as that of public class name. So now that means I have to save it with the name rest.java. I am deleting the previous one, that is test.java. Now to confirm, we will again try to compile it. This time we will compile it with the name javac rest.java. Yes, it's compiled and we got both .class files created. We got the bytecode for test as well as the rest class. Thank you.